All right, guys, here's what I got going. Got the Whiskey River 36-inch. It's really a 35 and 5/8. And then I got the Polaski axe head. So I got to do a little bit of work to get it to fit. It's really fine other than the sides. So I'm just gonna get the sides going, sanding. I got a rasp. Oops, backward, upside down. See, it's not gonna need much, guys, at all. Just gonna need some love. But I might need more love because I gotta get it down. So. I'm just doing little by little. And I need a chamfer in here before I forget, go ahead and do it. All right, I'm gonna pause you guys. I'm gonna get it. It's gonna take me a minute to get it down. All right, here's where we're at so far. That's as far as I got it down. So, got a little bit more to go. Here's what it's looking like. There's a couple spots. So I'm gonna try to get it down lower. This side looks better.
We'll see,
All
guys.
right, guys. I've been doing some work on this thing. Not too much, but you know, it took a little bit. So that's what I got it. That's where I got it pretty much. It's pretty much there, guys. Yeah, it's pretty much there. I'm just not gonna hammer it on yet. Let's see if it bounces. Look at that. It's like it likes it. It likes being home. It's like home. I'm not going to finish it just yet because I got a couple little things I want to do, and I want to ask you guys, should I leave the handle? Because this is a Polaski. So Polaski, to my knowledge, they are in wildland firefight scenarios. So that being said, should I toast the handle or should we leave it and just oil it? Either way, it's gonna look good because the coloration, it has good look. Like, look at that. Either way, it's gonna look good. So hey, don't mind my little I don't know what it is. It's not Spider-Man, it's like this other guy. I think his name's Spin. My son, he wanted to do got little tattoos. So that's what I'm rocking. It's a wash-off tattoo, guys. Because as you know, if you guys are followers of the channel, I'm in the process of removing my tattoos. So that's why you'll see my stuff is kind of faded. But this one's a fresh one. It's just a temporary ink. But back to the axe. What do you think I should do? Do you think I should I toast it? Should I just oil it? Or should I stain it? Those are my three options. And then I think I'm going to use this. So I have two options here. This one came with it. It's a poplar. It's like a rainbow or yellow poplar wedge. Would be perfectly fine. But hickory's a hardwood. Do I want to put softwood wedge in with the hardwood, or do I want to use walnut? Yeah, they'll probably expand and contract at a different rate. But my thinking is, so I have to take up a lot of this space. See the space? You know, of course, wide, width-wise, but this way too. So I'm thinking the hardwood wedge is not going to, I don't know, it might crack. I don't know, but I think it'll be a stronger option. And then I think it's going to be suitable with just this. But a lot of people, let me balance this. It's not going to balance again. There it goes. Is it going to stay? A lot of people like the, I don't know where they are, but I got some. Oh, here they are. They're like these little, it's like a little metal wedge. You know, you could put two in there, for a little extra security. But I don't think it's going to need it. And then some people, they'll drill them, like the professionals. They'll, I think they use a metal wedge and then they'll pin them. I don't think you need pinned, unless you're I don't know, maybe if you take it wildland firefighting, you might pin it. I don't know. So let me know. You guys think I should stain it? Or do you guys think I should oil it or toast it? That's where we're at so far, guys. Let me show you. It's looking pretty good, guys. Other than it's a little bit grainy in here on the camera. I don't know why. It's lighting. But it is what it is. I got my lights to install in here, you know, one day. But yeah. Let me turn my light. Pretty cool. I'm liking it, guys. But yeah, of course this isn't hammered in or anything, you know, it'll go down way further. But this is what we got so far. So you can see it's pretty good. Needs some spread on the edge, but looks pretty good in my opinion. So yeah. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Me and old Polaski will check you later.